Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan with Outback Steakhouse, and as you can probably guess, we love our steaks. But one of my personal favorites is our Mac-A-Roo and cheese. It's an easy recipe to make with little help from mom and dad or any adult who likes to cook. So here are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 4 ounces or a half cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese, and you'll need 3 ounces of a dry pasta. Today I'm using cavatappi, but you can use any tubular pasta or a gluten-free option is also available. Let's start with the pasta. You're going to want to bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a medium-sized pot. And while that's going, this is a great opportunity to talk about safety in the kitchen. You're going to want the adult to handle all the cutting and the heating. The stovetop and a hot pan can burn you, and mom and dad can make this a fun and safe cooking experience. While the water is heating up, I'm going to cut the cheese into pieces. Again, a job for mom and dad or your adult assistant. Now that I have the cheese cut into pieces, I'm going to combine with the heavy cream and set aside. Alright, how's that water doing? Looks like that it's come to a boil, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my pasta. I'm going to cook that for 8 to 9 minutes or until al dente, which means firm when bitten. And while that cooks, I got a fun fact for you. Our mac and cheese is on our Joey menu. Why do we call it a Joey menu? Well, young kangaroos are called Joeys, so our Joey menu is the kids menu. If you didn't know, Outback is inspired by the beauty and the culture of Australia, where plenty of kangaroos live. So you're going to want to take your heavy cream and your Velveeta cheese mixture, and you're going to want to stir it together over low to medium heat until you're completely combined and you look like this. Okay, now let's get back to your recipe. Once the pasta has been cooked and drained, you're going to want to add it back to the same pot that you pulled it from. Then you're going to want to pour the mixture in. Then you're going to want to stir and blend until your pasta is well coated with the cheese sauce. And it looks like this. Now that it's ready to go, let's grab a bowl and enjoy. This is a quick and easy recipe and a kid favorite and mine. I really hope you enjoy making this at home. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you and your family at an Outback Steakhouse soon. Have a bonzer day.